This video will serve as a step-by-step guide to installing cable onto Dutton-Lainson pulling winches. However, there's a couple of things you need to know before we begin. It is recommended that you do not remove your winch's reel to install cable onto it. You're about to see cable being installed on standalone reels, but that's only so you can more clearly see these processes. Also, the most common way to install cable is by using the cable clamp that comes with most of our winches. But you can also wrap the cable around the outside of the drum without using the clamp. We'll start by showing you the cable clamp method, then we'll go over the wrap. First, position the winch's reel so its oblong-shaped slots are up. Use a pair of pliers to put a kink approximately 2 inches from the end of your cable. Slip this end through the reel slot, then underneath the outside of the drum. Line up the kink with the square hole on the reel and slip the cable clamp bolt through the square hole. Next, place the clamp and nut on top of the bolt and cable, adjusting everything until the cable fits under the clamp's winged edges. Use a 7/16 inch wrench to tighten the nut securely, then pull any slack out of the clamp area so the side of your winch looks like this. Finally, get a firm grip on the cable and pull back on it so you can wind it onto the drum in even layers. If you have a DL3500B pulling winch, your only option to install cable on it is with the cable clamp, and the process is a little different. You must first wrap the cable around the inside of the drum once, then through the round hole on the reel, followed by securing it with the cable clamp through the square hole on the reel. So the area looks like this. Now, on to the wrap method. If you have a DL600A or 900A, this is the only method you can use to get cable on your winch, but it can also be used on any other DL pulling winch besides the DL3500B. To do it, once again make sure the reel slots are up. Slide the end of your cable through the slot, into the bottom left hole towards the center of the reel, back out of the bottom right hole towards the outside of the reel, then secure its end underneath the first loop you created. Remove any slack from this knot so the wrapped area looks like this. Be sure that the end of the cable in your knot is contained within the plate of the reel, not hanging off of the side. Lastly, begin winding the cable onto the reel in even layers. Thanks for watching. Check out our YouTube channel to learn more about our products, then like the videos, share them, and subscribe.